Anyway, hello guys, welcome back to Adelby, my YouTube channel. So basically this video is gonna be about how I achieved these curls, this big hair. I like the outcome. This is inspired by Zel Lewis on YouTube. I'll link her video down in the description box so you guys can, feel out what I was trying to achieve. I did use a closure unit. I made this unit. This hair is from BeautyForever hair. It's their Brazilian curly hair. Description box if I misspeak. I think this is 222 inches. No, 220 inches and 122 and an 18-inch close. You'll see like everything that I did. As far as the products that I use, I'm gonna show you. When it was drying, I used a little bit of Eden Body Works, their Coconut Shea Natural Curl Defining Cream. I used this for it to dry. And I put a little because I didn't want to lay down my hair. And then when I was blow drying it, I used Paul Mitchell's Super Skinny Serum, right? And yeah, like you'll see everything that I did. I like how it came out. It's big. I like big hair. I don't like when hair is flat. I mean, nothing beats middle part bone straight though, like, but I like big hair as well. But yeah, so stay tuned for what I did to achieve these beautiful curls, this big hair. I also filmed this makeup look. I don't know if I'm gonna feature it. I'm a rookie to this, but I think I did pretty good. Y'all gonna see it. I think I'm gonna put it in because why not? What's to lose? But yeah, thank you for watching and stay tuned. As you can see, this hair is really nice. Right now I'm sectioning off the hair to blow dry it. I first mist it with water and then I add the Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. And this serum is just there to so the hair can be smooth, and it's also used as a heat protectant. I used a purple and orange flexi rods for this style. I ended up running out of flexi rods, but you'll see what I ended up doing later on in the video. right here, I'm getting ready to curl the hair. So as you can see, I'm coiling the hair around as I'm wrapping it around the curling wand. And this gives you the ringlet type of curl that you want for this style. I leave the hair wrapped around the curling wand for about 15 seconds, and then I take the flexi rod and I do the same motion around the flexi rod. And I just want this so the curl can cool on the flexi rod so it can hold the curl better. So because I ran out of flexi rods, I let this portion of the hair sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. And as you can see right here, I'm taking out the hair or the flexi rods gently. thank you for watching my YouTube video. I want you guys to please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications every time I post. Like this video and comment a red heart. And as I said again, thank you for watching.